Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's going on here?
Well, I've been loving my Pixel 9 Pro Fold so much that I've gone into a bit of a folding frenzy. You could say I'm totally pro all things fold.
Well, if you say that, you really have to teach me how to make one of these. Now, shall we let this video unfold?
The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is thinner, brighter and lighter than the original Pixel Fold. It easily fits in one hand or in your pocket and has an updated, sophisticated design with the largest display on a Pixel phone.
Thanks to the Google Tensor G4 processor, it's also more powerful than ever.
And with your built-in Gemini assistant, Google AI and advanced photo editing tools, it can do it all.
Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a big deal for foldable fans. They're customers who see themselves as trailblazers. They love to try new things and have high expectations. They want a helpful, personal and efficient device with the most advanced tech available.
Pixel 9 Pro Fold has been completely redesigned with a new durable hinge that can lay fully flat or smoothly transition into tabletop or tent mode.
The display is also a pretty big deal. There is a 6.3-inch Actua outer display and an 8.0-inch Super Actua Flex inner display.
It's 80% brighter than the previous Pixel Fold with a peak brightness of up to 1600 nits. That gives you a lot of colours and detail.
And who can forget one of my favourite parts of Pixel 9 Pro Fold? Split screen. It allows you to use two apps simultaneously so you can multitask with ease. Simply unfold your Pixel 9 Pro Fold, open an app, slow swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the taskbar, then tap on split screen and select the second app.
On the topic of productivity, here are some great features on Pixel 9 Pro Fold and other Pixel 9 phones that help you get things done. Most anticipated is Gemini, your built-in AI assistant.
It's integrated across your Pixel, so you can get tailored responses with relevant data from your calendar, email, and location. You can even generate creative ideas with Gemini by your side.
That's not the only way to find the information you need. Pixel Screenshots, which is new to Pixel, can help you save anything you see on your screen and intelligently store it directly in the app.
Then, with conversational search, you can ask naturally and the app will find what you need, such as, what was that book Emily recommended?
Like Circle to Search, Pixel Screenshots is another Google innovation that helps you find information quickly and easily. Finally, let's talk about the Pixel camera.
Yeah, as well as a 48 megapixel camera, a telephoto lens, and 10 megapixel front and inner cameras, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold has some unique features you can't get on any other Pixel device.
Made You Look helps you get your kids' attention with a fun animation that makes them smile at the camera for that perfect photo.
While unfolded, open the camera app, press the switch screens icon, and tap Made You Look.
You can pick an animation to start playing on the outer screen to grab their attention when you need it.
Another great feature is dual screen preview, where the people you're taking a photo of can see how they look on the outer screen.
And you also get features like Add Me, Best Take, Pro Controls, and Video Boost.
Well, that's a summary of what to expect from the new Pixel 9 Pro Fold with the new design, productivity features, and Fold exclusive camera features.
So awesome. I can't wait to test this out more. And if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more helpful videos on the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. See ya!